name's Tracy Turner and I'm the project manager for the Guildhall Town Ball project. The aim of the project is to restore and refurb the stonework on the tower and install a new fully functional town ball.
I'm Gillian Osgerby, the Programme Director for Hull Maritime. We see now 2 years' worth of restoration work completed. The Guildhall was built between 1913 and 1916, with the addition of a time ball granted in 1915. This signals Hull's prominence as a port. The time ball is the highest in the UK at over 60 metres. The weather vane is modelled on the Bounty, built at Blade Shipyard and later famous for the mutiny on the Bounty. The renovation required 21 staircases of scaffolding to deliver the works. The new puttae were carved from a single 6-ton block of Portland stone, and they took 5,375 hours to carve. The time ball dropping signalled 1 p.m. to mariners in the docks, allowing them to set their chronometers, otherwise known as sea clocks. This enabled them to calculate their locations at sea, improving navigational accuracy and maritime safety. The Guildhall Time Ball has reclaimed its position on the city's skyline as part of the Hull Maritime Programme of Works. It is covered in 23.5 carat gold leaf. The signalling of the time ball is accompanied by the Guildhall Carillon. The ball will rise every day at 12:57 and drop precisely at 1 p.m. This is the first time this will happen in over 100 years. This is fantastic for the city, celebrating a unique element of Hull's maritime past and this fantastic feature on Hull's skyline.